Let's learn how to send videos from the camera roll as a snap on Snapchat. If you want to send videos from your gallery as a snap, but don't know how, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is check if your Snapchat is updated. Once it's updated, we can start. The first step is to open the Snapchat app on your iPhone or Android device. It doesn't matter which device you use because the process is the same on both. When Snapchat opens, you'll be on the camera screen where snaps are taken. When you're on that screen, the videos that are to the left of the capture button need to be swiped all the way to the right. Once you do that, you'll see the option View All, which you need to click. After clicking it, a page with more options will open. On that page, you need to click on the camera roll option. Once you click that, all the videos from your gallery will appear. You need to find the video you want to send and click on it. After clicking on it, a screen will open where that video will play. Now you need to click the blue Send button located at the bottom right. After clicking that, choose whom you want to send it to, then click the Send button again, and that's it. That was a tutorial on how to send a video from the camera roll as a snap. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.